Hey guys, so after that massive 3.15% green day today, we ended up putting in a slightly red day. Overall here, so I'm zooming out real quick here. I mentioned this bear market resistance line right here. We did poke through it, and actually we poked through it on every single time frame for SPY, weekly, and daily. The only one that didn't poke through was futures weekly, and I'll get to that. I'll probably talk about that more tomorrow though on the actual weekly time frame. So kind of what I'm watching set up right here right now is we had this breakthrough. We did break through that 405.4 was resistance, now support. We did confirm that support line right here. So I'm eyeing that this could have been a support bounce and we will push up tomorrow. However, I'm also eyeing this as a blow off top right here. And we'll put this doji in, and then tomorrow we're going to put a downside candle in. So key resistance is going to be right here at this 408.8, and key support is going to be right there at 405.3. Basically, these two right here will determine where we go tomorrow and most likely next week. If we close under 405.2, I would not be surprised to see next week break down. If we close over 408.8, then I would expect some upside and maybe even 420 next week. And I'll talk about this more tomorrow in the weekly video. Looking at futures, this is kind of showing you exactly what I was thinking right here. So we have this massive rocket up. We put a doji in, and then we're going to see a dump down. So most likely, we're going to look for this 40-60 support, but I'm really eyeing 40-20 for support on futures. So tomorrow we get the unemployment numbers. The last two times we have gotten unemployment numbers, both have resulted in a 1.2% move for pre-market. The October's was a 1.2% move up, and this one was, our last one in November was a 1.2% move down. So I'm expecting a big move one way or the other to pre-market tomorrow. Looking at Tesla, so Tesla's kind of forming one of these sideways channels. We kind of had the same thing happen right about here. So I am looking for some downside on Tesla tomorrow. We are holding this nice bull channel right here. We came up today, we tested 197.1 resistance, and we did wick through it, but we candle body closed perfectly level with it. Basically now I'm just kind of eyeing this overall bear channel, no longer the falling wedge. So basically now we have a candle closed over the daily 20 EMA. So we'll look to see that now key support is 191.7. Below that, I expect a downside. If we can break through 197 tomorrow, then I'm going to be looking for at least the 200s. And most likely next week, we'll start pushing up in this area. However, if we break down tomorrow and we close under 191.7, then I'm definitely looking for a breakdown and maybe even the 160s next week. So looking at the VIX, we are finally seeing that 19.7 area that I was talking about. We hit 19.8 today. I really want to see 19.7, but we'll just kind of see if we even get that. We could see it maybe open and then pop up. But if you look back here, we had, like I was talking about a long time ago, we had our bottoms right here. We all fought the 19.7. And then we had, this is the April where it did break and then kind of chopped and then popped and then boom. So, and we have a couple peaks that set right here. So all the way back to January. So this 19.7 level that we're at right now is a major, major level. If we continue to break down, then that should push us. And that's where I'm saying that we could see this 420 case. However, if we reject here and push back up, and especially if we break this bear market resistance or this bear channel resistance right here, and that's where I'm talking about we could come back down here and see the 390s. Remember, we still have a big gap right down here in the 380s that is not filled yet too. So looking at Bitcoin, not a whole lot going on there. I like to check in every once in a while. We did break through the 20 EMA here, but now we're kind of breaking back under it. So we're going to be watching that 16.9 level, and still major support level 15.7. I hope you guys had a good day trading today, and we'll see you guys tomorrow for Friday, the last day of the week. Thanks for tuning to this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated to my videos. This is the Lifetime Discord link. If that does not work, go ahead and drop me a comment or send me a message and I'll get you a new one. On the Discord, I do pre-market update with key supports and resistance from overnight. I also do live analysis and commentary throughout the day on SPY and Tesla. And I also do my live alerts for call-outs for plays that you guys see in my daily log. You can follow me on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and Reddit under Daddy Dersh.